Did you know that coffee beans are actually seeds, not beans? It's a fun little fact that surprises a lot of people. Welcome back to Coffee Minutes, your favorite podcast blending coffee, productivity, and personal finance. If you're new here, hit subscribe and join the coffee-loving community. Today, we're diving into the science of why coffee makes you happy. Beyond just caffeine, coffee impacts your brain and mood in fascinating ways. Coffee's ability to boost happiness isn't just about waking up or beating tiredness. It actually affects several brain chemicals linked to mood and motivation. Here are 3 key ways coffee makes you feel good. First, it boosts dopamine production. Dopamine is often called the feel-good neurotransmitter. It's involved in reward, pleasure, and motivation. Caffeine stimulates dopamine signaling in the brain, which can improve your mood and make tasks feel more rewarding. This is part of why coffee can feel motivating and uplifting. Second, it increases serotonin levels. Serotonin is another brain chemical linked to happiness and well-being. Studies suggest that coffee may increase serotonin release, helping reduce feelings of depression and anxiety. This is why some people feel calmer and more balanced after a cup of coffee. Third, it reduces stress hormones. Cortisol is the stress hormone that spikes during stressful situations. Regular, moderate coffee consumption can help regulate cortisol levels, preventing excessive stress reactions and promoting a more stable mood. Beyond chemistry, coffee rituals like the smell, the warmth of the cup, and the social aspect also contribute to happiness by creating comfort and connection. If you want to explore more about coffee's impact on mental health and well-being, check the book list in the description. You'll find science-backed insights and practical advice. To recap, coffee can boost happiness by increasing dopamine and serotonin while helping manage stress hormones. Plus, the rituals surrounding coffee add emotional comfort. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and check the description for my curated book list and Ko-fi page. How does coffee make you feel happy or motivated? Share your story in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for tuning in to Coffee Minutes. Next episode, we'll discuss how to budget like a minimalist and still enjoy coffee every day.